Hey everyone, if you're running a busy bar, cafe, or restaurant and need a reliable way to keep up with ice demand, this VEVOR commercial ice maker might be exactly what you're looking for. I've been testing it out for the past few weeks, and I'm pretty impressed with how it holds up under real-world use. If you want to see the details on Amazon, the link is in the description. The first thing that stood out to me was how much ice this thing can actually make. We're talking 360 pounds in a 24-hour period. That's a serious upgrade from the small countertop models most people use at home. I set it up in a corner of the kitchen, and it just hums along without any issues, even during our busiest shifts. The 250-pound storage bin is also a game-saver because it means you don't have to constantly refill buckets or worry about running out during peak hours. Another thing I really like is how fast it makes ice. Unlike some machines that take forever to produce a batch, this one churns out ice in about 8 to 12 minutes. That's perfect when you've got a line of customers waiting for drinks and you need ice now. I've also noticed it keeps up well even when the ambient temperature is higher, which is a common issue with cheaper models. The strong insulation really does make a difference. Cleaning it is surprisingly easy too. The auto self-cleaning feature is a huge time saver. Instead of scrubbing it out by hand every few weeks, you just press a button, add a bit of cleaning solution, and let it run. It takes less than 30 minutes, and the machine does all the work. That alone makes it worth the investment for any business owner who doesn't want to waste time on maintenance. The touchscreen control panel is intuitive and straightforward. You can adjust the ice size, check the water level, and even set a cleaning schedule right from the display. I've had staff members who aren't tech-savvy use it without any issues, which is a big plus. The digital interface also gives you real-time updates on ice production, so you always know how much you've got on hand. Now, I should mention that this isn't a small machine. It's pretty heavy and takes up some space, so make sure you've got room for it before buying. It also requires a dedicated water line, which might mean some extra setup if your kitchen isn't already equipped for that. But once it's in place, it's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of appliance. On the plus side, the build quality feels solid. It's made from stainless steel, so it's durable and easy to wipe down. The noise level is reasonable too. It's not silent, but it's not loud enough to disrupt conversations in the dining area. I've also had no issues with the compressor overheating, even during long shifts. So, if you're running a business that goes through a lot of ice and you need something reliable, this VEVOR commercial ice maker is definitely worth considering. It's built to handle high demand, easy to maintain, and it actually delivers on its promises. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. For most buyers, the real question is not whether VEVOR commercial ice maker machine, 360 lbs/24H ice making machine with 250 pounds large storage bin, auto self-cleaning ice maker with touchscreen for bar cafe restaurant business commercial sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like large ice production and fast ice making actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. What stands out about VEVOR commercial ice maker machine, 360 lbs/24H ice making machine with 250 pounds large storage bin, auto self-cleaning ice maker with touchscreen for bar cafe restaurant business commercial is how it seems positioned for buyers who want something practical, easy to understand, and worthwhile beyond the first impression. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like VEVOR commercial ice maker machine, 360 lbs/24H ice making machine with 250 pounds large storage bin, auto self-cleaning ice maker with touchscreen for bar cafe restaurant business commercial usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.